Video script for the Vivo Y04 Pro, structured with headings and paragraphs, and starting with your channel name ZK Mobile. Introduction. ZK Mobile. Welcome to ZK Mobile, your trusted source for the latest smartphone updates and reviews. Today, we're diving into the Vivo Y04 Pro, a budget-friendly device that's turning heads with its stylish design and practical features. Design and display. The Vivo Y04 Pro comes with a sleek and modern look, featuring a glossy back panel and a minimalist camera layout. It sports a 6.56-inch HD+ display with a 20:9 aspect ratio, offering decent clarity and brightness for everyday use. The water drop notch adds a subtle touch, keeping the screen experience clean and immersive. Performance and software. Under the hood, the Y04 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Helio G37 processor, paired with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. For a budget device, this setup handles daily tasks like browsing, messaging, and light gaming smoothly. The phone runs on FunTouch OS 13 based on Android 13 Go edition, ensuring a lightweight and responsive experience. Camera capabilities. On the back, the Vivo Y04 Pro features an 8MP main camera that captures decent photos in good lighting. The front houses a 5MP selfie camera, suitable for casual selfies and video calls. While it's not built for pro-level photography, it gets the job done for social media and everyday moments. Battery and other features. One of the highlights of the Y04 Pro is its 5000 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day on moderate use. It supports 10 watts charging via USB-C. Additional features include face unlock, a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, and support for dual SIM cards and microSD expansion. Final thoughts. The Vivo Y04 Pro is a solid option for users looking for an affordable smartphone with reliable performance, good battery life, and a stylish design. It's a smart pick for students, first-time smartphone users, or as a secondary device. Outro. ZK Mobile. That's it for today's review on the Vivo Y04 Pro. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to ZK Mobile for more updates, comparisons, and reviews. See you in the next video. Let me know if you want a version in a different tone or language, or if you'd like this adapted into a voiceover script.